BrightView is proud to announce an exciting new community partner, Porky's Mini Golf in Marathon, Florida. This isn't just any partnership. Through the Coconut Hotline and seeds of trust sown into previous relationships in the vibrant Marathon area, we laid the foundation of a new and long-term relationship with our new customer. It started from scratch with nothing but limestone, sunshine, ocean breeze, and a dream that has turned into a fun-loving community hotspot for tourists and locals alike. Our newest customer reached out with a plan and asked us to bring her dream to reality. That's when BrightView stepped up to work our magic. Our team completed all aspects of the landscape installation, from proper grading of the land and installation of plant material to proper coverage of irrigation and mulch application, all within the customer's goal completion date. Now, with all of the sweat and hard work past us, we are ready to celebrate and unveil the masterpiece poised for a spectacular grand opening. Stay tuned for the grand reveal as we turn dreams into reality. BrightView, where vision meets precision.